Yeah, Sapien is, I believe, the next evolution in data labeling. And we are trying to we're trying to solve the scalability problems the data labeling industry faces today and the rising complexity of the data itself.
And why data labeling? Because there are so many other problems to solve in AI, but why data labeling?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think AI is progressing. First of all, AI is progressing at significant, incredible speed. And one of the biggest blockers, bottlenecks today of AI, it's no longer compute as much. Data labeling is a huge blocker because a lot of the models and a lot of the people working and a lot of the practitioners actually don't have access to high quality data in high volumes that they need for their model. So this is one of the biggest bottlenecks. Now, how it came across, I actually faced that problem myself while working at Amazon, and then I joined Scale AI, which is in the industry, and I saw that industry evolve as we took Scale AI from a very early stage startup to a 7.3 billion dollar company. And I've seen those problems evolve, and Scale was an evolution of that industry. Scale did revolutionize that industry, and now as the industry is evolving even more, while it grows at incredible speeds, we're trying to solve the problem from a different angle.